feeling creative today. Let's go find some inspo. Yeah, never mind. I'm just gonna go follow them instead.
You have to check out this artist. Meet UK-based Cityscape artist Paul Kenton. His paintings are out of this world. He told BuzzFeed he started painting as a kid and feels like it was his destiny. Paul considers his art to be impressionism. He also says that he is driven to capture a mood or moment in his paintings rather than meticulous detail. To create his work, Paul builds up the paint in layers, then hones in on the details, which makes his paintings abstract up close, but then a complete masterpiece from afar. Because of his work, Paul has been able to travel and meet some really nice people. He shared with us that it was a challenge to sell his work in the beginning, but that is no longer the case. He loves sharing his skills with others and hopes to continue to show his artwork all around the world.
Ooh, I'm feeling creative today. Let's go find some inspo. Yeah, never mind. I'm just gonna go follow them instead.
You have to check out this artist. You'll be hypnotized. Now, what you're seeing here is called fluid art. Fluid art painting is an abstract art form that uses acrylic paints with a fluid consistency to create organic, free-flowing compositions. Artist Nikki told BuzzFeed she started doing this kind of art last year as a hobby. She enjoys both the process and result of her pieces. I wish my art pieces turned out this cool. I'd like to take these all. After being laid off recently, Nikki is putting 100% of her energy into her art business. We wish you the best of luck, Nikki. Check out her work at Bespattered Facade.
The nostalgia is real with this one. Meet Adam, a 30-year-old Polish artist. Adam is inspired by the stories and cartoons from his childhood, like Ed, Edd, and Eddy. He uses basswood for carving, and, fun fact, it's one of the best woods for carving. Adam started making wooden art in January of 2022, after being inspired by his father, who was doing the same. He got his first hand knife for Christmas in 2021 and hasn't stopped whittling since. Depending on the size of the project, it can take up to 16 hours to create one of these guys. Make sure to check out his Instagram at timber.creatures for more.
Looks like honey.
It really moves like honey too. When we're teaching, sometimes we'll have students use honey to practice.
Now tell me this doesn't look like something you really want to eat.
That'd be the end of it though. I don't know why I feel so sick. Might be the forbidden candy.
This forbidden candy is glass that we're about to make into a full-blown ornament.
It's about 2,200 degrees on the inside. Stop, take a breath, blow lightly again.
JW Marriott and Marco Island invited BuzzFeed out so that we can try this unique experience in a very unique location, right by the beach. And it was beautiful.
Wait, you've got to see this. Want to learn about wood carving? Well, get ready to learn. First up, did you know that wood carving is one of the oldest human art forms, dating back to the Paleolithic era? Ancient civilizations around the world created beautiful works of art in wood, including ancient Egypt and Greece, Japan, Oceania, Africa, Mesopotamia, and Australia. Did you know that one of the oldest carved pieces still in existence dates back to the Mesolithic period around 7,500 BCE? By the way, woodcarvers don't just use any knives, they use whittling knives to carve the wood. Lastly, did you know that one of the most expensive pieces of wooden art was the Madame LR by Constantine Brancusi, which sold for $37.6 million. Follow at maybe just FU for more wood carving.
Can you believe all these are paintings? Meet Beau, a French-American painter. He's self-taught with a focus in sea and landscapes. Did I mention he's only been painting since 2015? Some of his paintings really make you feel like you're there. I'm feeling more relaxed already. Be sure to follow him at BobbyFrank for more.
These glitter tattoos are everything. Don't worry, there isn't real glitter in the ink. This is a style called glitter realism or glitter illusion. And yeah, it looks so realistic. This is the work of Amanda Graves, a tattoo artist based in Maryland. She started creating tattoos in this style in early 2022, and they've only gotten more detailed and more realistic looking over time. What do you think? Would you get a tattoo in this style? Let us know in the comments.
Meredith Maher is an artist who uses puzzle pieces as her medium of choice. She told BuzzFeed many of the puzzle pieces are famous paintings like the Blue Vase and the Mona Lisa. She says a big part of her work is a play on the quote, "Good artists copy, great artists steal." My new favorite way to make a painting? Out of puzzle pieces. Be sure to follow her at by Meredith for more.
Ever wonder how glassblowing works? Glassblower John Gibbons first starts off by rolling the blowpipe along the edge of a mosaic of glass marine. Then he brushes off any remaining ceramic dust that comes from the ceramic plate. Afterward, he gathers several layers of molten clear and cools the pipe on the pipe cooler. Then he shapes it with a wooden block and a steel table. As his assistant blows through the pipe, he shapes the glass with wet newspaper. After that, he uses the jacks to constrict the neck so they can break off the blowpipe. Once it's broken off the blowpipe and transferred to the puntee, they can trim the lip of the vase with shears and open it up wider. In the end, they add a little water to the puntee to make it break off into his assistant's hands. What do you think about glass blowing? Would you try it?